In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Aliexpress account in 2025. If you're looking to step away from the platform or just want to free up some digital space, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to delete your account step by step. We begin by heading over to the Aliexpress website. Make sure you're logged into your account as this process requires access to your personal account settings. Most of you are probably already familiar with AliExpress as a place to find affordable items with free shipping, but today, our focus is going beyond shopping. Once you're on the main page of the website, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the settings menu. Clicking on this will take us to a more personalized area of the site, where you can adjust your account details and preferences. This settings page is pretty much the control center for your account, and deleting it will be one of the options available. So, let's click on settings to move forward. After you've navigated to the settings page, the next step is to locate the delete account option. It should be listed among other options focused on account management and privacy settings. Clicking on delete account initiates the process of permanently removing your account from the platform. It's worth taking a moment here to ensure that this is really what you want to do, as deleting an account is a permanent action. Now we're going to confirm the deletion of the account. AliExpress will prompt you to confirm this decision, typically by asking for a final verification of your intent to delete. This step is crucial because once you've confirmed, there's no going back. You'll be asked to confirm your identity, maybe by entering your password or another authentication measure. This is a security step to make sure no one else is deleting your account without your permission. Before you take this final step, make sure you've saved or recorded any important information or transactions from your account, as you won't be able to retrieve it once the account has been deleted. If you're certain about your decision, go ahead and confirm the deletion, and there you have it. Your AliExpress account will now be scheduled for deletion. It might take a little while for the process to be fully completed, but you should receive a confirmation either on screen or via email. Deleting your account is a straightforward process once you know where to go and what to do. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and how-to videos. Have a great day.